Here's a steel truck bed, 88 inches wide, 110 inches long. It's got a headache rack, 37.5 inches tall with a see-through screen wire. It's got some rust up here on the front. It's not on the bed part, it's on the headache rack. Just put a piece of angle iron or something in there. I'll get the measurement on the outside of the rails here for you. Maybe. Crap, this ain't easy. The rails are about 34.5 inches outside. They're channel irons going crossways. It's all steel bed. It's got tie rails on 3 sides of it. I measured that now. That's in the total measurement. It'll make you a good little work truck bed or what you want to do with it. Buy it on auction time.